I don't know if this is in the book or not, but Robert around 1970 started designing his own clothes, and they were getting pretty flamboyant, and he designed these like chaps like cowboys wear, where they're around here, and he had like a cod piece, here, in gold lame, these pants. And we're in a cafe, and we're on our way to a poetry reading, and Robert's wearing gold lame chaps and a cod piece. And I used to like to have honey in my tea, but they never serve it in restaurants. They would only have sugar. So I would carry honey in a little bag. So I pulled out the honey and I put it on the table, and I'm putting the honey in the tea, and Robert said, "Patti, why do you have to bring honey to a restaurant?" And he said, "You're drawing attention to yourself." I don't even think I said, I just looked at him, he's like sitting there with like 4 necklaces, bandanas, a big thing of keys, a gold lame pants for a poetry reading. And I said, "Yeah, I'm just, you know me, I'm just a real exhibitionist."